Welcome back, everybody. I am in Lehi, Utah today. I'm in the Holbrook Farms development by Oakwood Homes out here kind of by Redwood Road on the edge of Lehi and Saratoga Springs. So I'm about to go inside and take a look at the Hudson model that they've developed. It's about 3,000 square feet and it's in their Omni Collection, which is kind of the entry level for the traditional single family homes. You know, your own driveway, nice yard, things like that. So let's go in and take a look and you can let me know what you think. Okay, so thanks for taking a walk with me through the Hudson model at Oakwood Homes out here in Holbrook Farms. I'd love to hear what you think about it. You can leave it in the comments. And if you'd like any more information about this particular model or anything else that Oakwood is building, reach out to me through text or a phone call. Anyway, hope to see you in the next video.